right here we have the robotic arm, and it's been assigned to follow this path right here, this black line. And with that, we're able to keyframe the movement, so we're able to stop the camera at any point along this line. And this line in the future can be as complicated as we want it to. It could circle behind, it could go above the object, whatever it needs to do, it can do it. And so right here we have our little box, a subject for this recording. And so I'm going to just hit play on the animation. Right here is a digital version of what the camera will see. Down here we have keyframes. This is how we manipulate the rig so that it controls the robotic arm. Keyframes can be applied to both the target. The target is actually moving up and down during this animation, and the head of the arm is being keyframed as well. So good progress. Our next steps is to make a more realistic version of the rig. The joints are going to be, there's more complication with the joints than what is shown in this iteration. And then after that, I'll get into making a graphic user interface for easy control of the robot, so that way anybody can do it. All right, that's it for today.